Every pound you spend is a decision. The question is, are you making that decision consciously, or are you just reacting? Smart spending is not about being cheap. It's not about cutting out every coffee, every takeaway, every pleasure in your life. Smart spending is about intention. It's about knowing exactly what you're trading your money for and deciding whether it's worth it. Here's what most people do. They earn money, it hits their account, and then it disappears. On subscriptions they forgot about, on things they bought on impulse, on convenience they didn't really need. By the time the month ends, they look at their balance and wonder, where did it go? Smart spenders think differently. Before money leaves their account, they ask 3 questions. 1. Do I need this, or do I just want it right now? 2. Is this aligned with my financial goals? And 3. What is this money not doing for me if I spend it here? That last question is critical. Every pound you spend is a pound that isn't being saved, invested, or working for your future. That's called opportunity cost. And most people never think about it. Now here's the practical side. Smart spending starts with a plan. You know what's coming in. You know what must go out: rent, bills, essentials. And then you make conscious choices with what's left. You prioritize experiences and investments over stuff. You compare before you buy. You wait 24 to 48 hours before any significant impulse purchase, and more often than not, the urge passes. Smart spenders also audit their spending regularly. Every month, look at where your money went. Not to feel guilty, but to learn, to adjust, to get better. The wealthiest people in the world are not people who spent freely and hoped for the best. They are people who were deliberate with every financial decision. That discipline compounds just like interest. Because here's the truth, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep, and what you do with what you keep. Spend smart, think long, build wealth. Like and subscribe for more videos. Compound interest. The 8th wonder of the world.